Hey everyone, welcome back to this channel, Sapna Raghuvanshi, and I hope you people are fit as fiddle, doing great in your life with your fantastic English practice, of course. So here in this video, I'm going to share something randomly because yes, friends, genuinely if I share why nowadays whenever I'm making video, so I'm sharing only something random just because I am not getting ample time to learn something or to prioritize my task, especially for English speaking, just because I am having other responsibilities also in my life that is somewhere more important than my English. For me, my English is always very much important. It's crucial, pivotal, vital, essential. But yes, to manage my life properly and effectively, I have to manage some of other work also. Due to that only, I'm not getting time. Otherwise, for English, I'm always very much enthusiastic and ardent to learn new things, to share new things, to create content, new content, thought-provoking content for my viewers. As nowadays means my viewers are also getting decreased, so no problem. I am always happy with my channel, with my English, and yes, I know that you must be also very much happy with your English speaking practice. So yes, here in this video, as you can see that I have nothing to share especially, but yes, the thing is that whenever you feel like that you don't have any special thing to share, so you just try to share real thing, whatever is happening in your life, whatever has happened in your life, whatever is going to be happen. Of course, we are completely not aware of this, whatever is going to happen tomorrow, but yes, I'm talking about plan, because always we are having plan for tomorrow according to us. But yes, the thing is that sometimes everything is not in our own hand, everything is in God's hand. Okay, so as right now I'm going to share firstly my today. Okay, so as today it's Saturday and it's almost evening time. You can see the weather is very good and there's some cloud in the sky, and due to that only this evening is looking that much beautiful. Otherwise no, there's no chance. Always at the time like in this evening there's always sunshine, okay, harsh sunshine, but this time due to cloud, some clouds just came and completely covered the sun. I'm not able to show you. Okay, so yes, let it be. So the thing is that as tomorrow is Sunday, and due to that I'm feeling very much relaxed and happy. And yes friends, if honestly I share my feelings, so nowadays I'm feeling very bad. I'm not feeling good at all. You know why? Due to my sore throat. As today is Saturday, and after returning from my school today, I felt over the moon. You know why? Because I have accomplished all my tasks. Yes, today itself I have corrected all my PT1 exams bundles. Okay, so today it was last bundle that I submitted, and after submitting the bundle in my school I felt very much relaxed and happy. That is, now I am going to take some rest, because after returning from my school at once I started correcting my bundle. I never ever took a nap even for a while, but today I thought to take nap, even to take siesta. But so now friends, I think I have to say bye and I have to go to do my task, to accomplish my task. Okay, so I will see you in my next video. Bye bye, take care, enjoy your day, enjoy your English always.